Ladies and gentlemen, come gather around, come gather around, come gather around. You've just spent a whole bunch of time building some cool ride, and spoiler, some of the folks on the road are imbeciles. So let's protect our butt and check out one of these. So I'm not saying I don't trust anybody, but I don't trust anybody. And I spent 5 years of my life putting this truck together. I'm not really interested in somebody smacking into it and going like, yeah, I didn't see you, in the safest freaking color known to man. So I have this dash cam. I've heard that these are really good ones. I haven't tried one before. I have dash cams in all of my vehicles of various different brands. We're gonna try this beaut in this beaut. It's so cute. So this is the GPS module. It's gonna stick to the windshield. We've got a little cover on the lens here, and that can fit to whatever your windshield rake is, which is cool. Micro SD. This thing came with its own card. That's nice, with the adapter. Not that way. So that's in. What else have we got here? Read before installation. So this dash cam is really small, so it makes it easy to hide in your car. A polarizing lens is an option available for super sunny days. Starvis image sensor by Sony for super clear video, both day and night. I'll show you some of that a bit later on. It'll record in 2K, upwards of 2.7K, but that would slow down a bit of your frame rate. Gives you 140 degree of range of view. It has voice control, so you can talk to it while you're driving. If you're lonely and need to like take a picture or something, you just have to tell it. It can do 5G Wi-Fi if you're into that. It has a built-in GPS, automatically keeping track of everything for you. You also have options for parking mode on how you want it to record shenanigans or not. And Viofo gives you excellent warranty and technical service as well. Very cool. All right, so my lighter works the lighter, but apparently nothing else. So I did the hardwire kit, and we'll plug that in. And turn the key to on and see what we get.
Recording started.
So normally on a car you would tuck the wires up underneath the headliner, but this is sheet metal. They don't have that luxury. I debated drilling a hole when I was building the truck up here so I could route wires through, but never did. All right, let's see. Oh, it took a picture. So if you're new to dash cams, they automatically start recording when you turn your vehicle on. This one, if you hardwire it into the system, there's a wire to give it full battery voltage when you're parked, and it will just sit there and record until the vehicle battery falls to a preset kind of level. It leaves enough to start the whole vehicle, that's perfectly fine, but it just kind of records the shenanigans if you set it up to do that. It's got a lot of different settings and features, customizability. Another common feature with this is when you are hit by somebody, it automatically freezes and locks the video from a few seconds before the collision to a little while after the collision, so you can hopefully catch whatever happened. And this is, it just kind of locks it or password protects it so that you can have that scene saved. It will fill up, it'll record for a while and then just kind of overwrite the old videos that you have. But it works pretty good. Nice feature. I have had dash cam save my bacon in the past. This is a sunny day. Foolishly, I put the dash cam where the wipers do not actually sweep. So in rain, this is not the best place for me to put it. On a normal vehicle, it would work fine. But this is a nice sunny day on my commute to work. So you can see the clarity of all that there. This is, oh, it might even be the same day. I don't know. Notice it's got a GPS down there in the bottom. Tells you where you are on Earth, just in case you are lost. Also records your speed, which is good or incriminating, depending on whether you're at fault for the collision or not. And there's a date stamp and time on the right-hand side at the bottom as well. So certainly nice features to substantiate whatever you've recorded. Don't know if this would be thrown out of court if you didn't have their permission to record, but if they're on public roads, they should be allowed to be recorded. As a way of comparison, this is on a rainy and overcast day, and the wipers do not wipe where I put the camera. So you're looking at what it would look like if you didn't have the wipers on. It's not too bad, other than the raindrops, but it's not bad at all. I think I mentioned the polarizing screen that you can put over it for sunny days, but up here right now in Canada, we're getting into fall, so not even I wear sunglasses a whole lot. But you can make out license plates. You can make out a lot of details. The video quality is quite nice. They do offer a dash cam with a rear camera as well, which I recommend. Just sometimes to show what's going on behind you is an advantage. This particular one just shows forward. Nighttime on a nice clear day. Or it might actually be overcast. We're supposed to be scheduled for rain, but nevertheless, camera is still up, not in a path of a wiper, but here we are at night. It's about, let's see the clock there. It seems to think that it is 8 o'clock. This is kind of on the outskirts of town, mostly industrial parts, some traffic street lights, and the headlights that I have on my 61 Chevy pickup. But pretty decent visibility. I would say this is what I see, maybe a little bit better, because I have old man eyes and I'm having a hard time seeing at night like I used to. But it does seem to be pretty realistic. You can certainly have a pretty good idea of what's coming at you with some street lights like this. On the highway out of town, where there's precious little in the way of street lights, this is what you see, which is about what I saw, so I guess it's all right. Pretty decent for nighttime visibility. So I'm a big fan of dash cams. There it is in the windshield of this truck. Not the best location of this vehicle, only because the wipers don't clean in front of the camera. So I likely move it on this vehicle, but I like having to remove the subjectivity of things. So it's not my opinion saying you're a schmuck. I have your antics recorded right there. So big fan of dash cams. I have them in all of my vehicles. Recommend you should get one too. No complaints with this one. Seems to be pretty decent video quality. I like a lot of the features that it has. But there's a dash cam. If it intrigues you, link down below in the description. You can check one of these out for yourself. As such, thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Take care.